Hey guys, it's me Alex, and in today's video we are gonna see how to block video calls on WhatsApp without using any third-party apps. This video is for those guys who want to avoid that embarrassing situation when you pick up a video call by accident. First, you need to go to settings and choose apps from the menu. Now, select WhatsApp from the list. Tap on the option Permissions and turn off the camera. Now ask someone to video call you. When you try to attend the video call, they will ask you permission to access camera. Choose the option Don't ask again and deny permission. Next time, when someone video calls you, you won't be able to attend the call. Instead, they will be asking you to change the settings. Now, you won't be able to attend any video calls without going to the settings. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Have a great day.